Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee, and I have these cute little boxes to share with you today, and I've made them into little advent boxes. So you've got number 1, number 3 here. We're going to make number 2 today, and then you can also make them into, like here, into this cute little deer or bear, whatever you want to do. So really simple, really cute. I love it. So let me show you the die set we've used. It's this one called Designer Treat Box Dies, and you get the die here. This is the die that cuts out the box, and you get all these little extra bits like labels and circles, and on the other side you get bits to decorate. So you've got here like the vampire bat wings, little bunny ring, ears, deer ears, little flaps here to make it into a butterfly, and then you also get lovely here the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and you cut it out all in one go, which is so useful. So really useful, versatile die set. Now here I've used just some normal soft suede cardstock. Here I used the Lights Aglow Designer Series paper. This one is Boughs of Holly, as you've got a little holly here. And then this one I've used today is Painted Christmas, and it gives you everything, including your fold lines. So I'm just going to fold. I'm not even going to use my bone folder for this. I'm just going to pinch with my fingers because it is Designer Series paper and you do just want to be a little careful. So I'm just going to fold on all of these fold lines. Just take your time to find them all and give them a nice pinch. Really simple box to put together, really dinky, and you could even hang them on the tree as your advent. So simple. Okay, so now we've pinched on everything. Now you can see here you've got these two little tabs here, 1, 2. And then you've got the same here, these two little tabs, and this is where you're going to put your glue. So let's see if we can see it better here. You're going to put the glue just here and here on these tabs, and again here and here. And I'm just going to use some Tombow because it gives a little bit of wriggle room. Okay, and then you're just going to make your box the normal way. So you're going to bring up this tab to meet this side wall here, just like that, and pinch and hold. Again, this tab is going to meet this side wall here. When you get the die, you'll see it's very intuitive in how to put it together. So then we're going to do the same on the other side. Just going to bring these up to meet the walls. I've got glue all over my fingers. However hard I try, I always get glue all over my fingers. And I hate having glue on my fingers, but what can you do? It's part of crafting. I'm trying to get rid of some of it, if I can. So then you've got your box like this. Now you'll see you've got two pieces like this, like that, and then two pieces with this oval little top. These oval little tabs here fold out, and these two fold in, and you just attach it like that. And there is your little box. Sorry, that was my mobile phone. So we've made a little box. Now I'm just going to do a very simple decoration. We're going to, as I said, do number 2. So when you cut the die, as I said, the numbers die, it cuts it all as one. You cut it all as one piece, but all the numbers do come out individually. So I cut that, and I've saved all my numbers in this little packet here, and I've got all my numbers in here saved for what I want to do. So this is number 2. Now if you can see here, you get the negative and the positive. So you could just have number 2 like this, and I've cut the little label out of the glimmer paper. You could just have number 2 on it like that, or you could have number 2 on it like that, which is what I'm going to do. You could also cut this out of 2 different colours and inlay this number 2 back into the die in a different colour. There's lots of different options. So let's put a dab of glue. In the centre here, just like that, and then I'm just going to glue this on to the side of my box like that. Really simple to do. And then each one you could put a little toy or a little treat. I just put a little chocolate treat, you know, even just a couple of Maltesers or something inside each one. Wouldn't that be cute? And then you've got 1, 2, 3, and then you've also got this little deer. So those are my little treat boxes I'm getting ready for Christmas. I hope you liked them. If you did, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know, and please don't forget to subscribe to future videos. If you want any more information about this project, the supply list, measurements, etc., it's all on the blog post on my website, and the links to that and all my social media links are in the description box below. That includes a link to my Facebook group where I host a monthly online card club, and we actually make projects just like this in Card Club, so do come and check it out. I'd love to see you there. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye.